Lesson 225. God is my Father, and His Son loves Him.
Hi there. How about we explore a little bit more the mystery of the bond of love that we share with our Heavenly Father today, and the sense of unity that this bond brings? Let's delve into what Lesson 225 has in store for us.
God is my Father, and His Son loves Him.
Father, I must return your love for me, for giving and receiving are the same, and you have given all your love to me. I must return it, for I want it mine in full awareness, blazing in my mind and keeping it within its kindly light, inviolate, beloved, with fear behind and only peace ahead. How still the way your loving Son is led along to you.
Brother, we find that stillness now. The way is open. Now we follow it in peace together. You have reached your hand to me, and I will never leave you. We are one, and it is but this oneness that we seek, as we accomplish these few final steps which end a journey that was not begun.
In other words, we've been given the gift of boundless love from our Father. When we receive such a wonderful gift, we naturally want to give something back. We feel this urge to return that love, yet we also grapple with the metaphysical concept that we've already encountered in previous lessons, that giving and receiving are the same. As we receive love, we give love. And as we understand this and allow us to fully love, all our fears go away, leaving behind just calmness and peace. We're walking on a smooth, peaceful path, hand in hand, with a guiding force leading us to pure love. We're all in this together, and together we find this path of stillness. It's right here, open for all of us, and we start to follow it in peace together. We have reached each other's hands, and we will never leave one another now. Because we've always been connected, we are all one. And this oneness, this feeling of unity, of being one, is what we're searching and what we've always been searching for. There are the final steps of a journey that never started in truth. We end a journey that has never begun.
God is my Father, and His Son loves Him.
God is my Father, and His Son loves Him.
God is my Father, and His Son loves Him.
Isn't that heartwarming? What do you think of that? Isn't it beautiful to realize that we can find such love and peace when we connect with our inner self and God? Isn't it amazing to know that this connection and love have always been there, waiting for us? Keep on practicing morning and evening as we did so far, and spend a few moments every hour and every time you need it to remember the goal of the course and the idea of the day. You're doing an incredible job. Trust in this journey and in the profound love and peace it brings to us. See you tomorrow for another powerful lesson. But remember, we're currently in a section called What is Forgiveness? If you haven't watched the introduction of this section, be sure to click on the video link that'll pop up on your screen in a few seconds.
If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. There's a new lesson every day.